Welcome to the Otto Inventors Program submissions. We'll be showcasing 11 submissions of some cool inventions. So let's begin. First up from Lucio, which he calls Pelos Otto. The idea with this is to deck out Otto with hairstyles as an add-on to the product. Lucio uses Autodeck Fusion 360 software, where he designed the hair that is 3D printed. Next, we have William with his product Boswin. Boswin uses power arms to physically distance itself from obstacles and prevent from falling over from extreme movements, or on smooth surfaces use a wall to spin itself. This little guy can roam the land with little interference. A creative way to use arms to support movement. Bill's robot Dozer is designed to be a modular robot with a central core unit. The core unit is to be a programmer and operate extensions that are connected to the CU. The goal is to connect the other parts of the servers for room expansion with plugins into the backpack that houses more motors, servos, and other parts. Another submission from Bill showcases his other robot, Tutti. Tutti can convert any sheet of music to read and play it. Next, we have a submission from Sabastian called Tutti Frutti. What's unique here is a new walking mechanism, as you see from this sprint mode example, that enables him to walk much faster while using only 4 servos in the leg. A swinging walk movement allows for such speed. Now, if we had an Otto race today, this surely would win. Next, we have John's standalone educational Otto, which is a child-friendly and robust Otto-based robot PCB. Additional sensors have been added so that additional programming can be done with both Blockly and Arduino. Otto EDD does not have any servos or legs and arms, so it's not fragile, therefore it can be used for younger children that may not be as gentle. For advanced users, Otto EDD can be expanded with an optional PCB to connect the acquired servos or stepper motors to turn it into a biped or wheeled Otto. Jason's new PCB has an easy connection, integrated buzzer and switch charger, and booster, which is pretty cool. Lastly, Jason has Otto Buddy, which is a desktop robot. What's unique is its eyes has emotions such as being happy, bored, and even angry, and can make emotional sounds as well. Using one eye looks pretty cool, which is different from Otto's 2-eye approach. Next, we have the invention from Marco Otto. Has no arms, but he is showcasing the head with an opening mouth to talk, including LED eyes with it. Pretty cool. But next, we have Ronnie created a humanoid type robot named Lee from his daughter. Similar to Otto Humanoid, but with a slick design and the ability to turn itself so you can verify obstacles around it. With a moving head, Lee could be programmed to have radar-like functions or even object tracing. Now, last but not least, we have Devansh, who has designed an Otto to look like a penguin. Even created its movement to act like a penguin with its flapping arms. Pretty neat design there. So there you have it. Click the link below to this video to vote on your favorite invention. Take care, everyone.